you guys! Thank you so much for clicking on that video. Today I'm showing you two of my favorite smoothie recipes, so let's go. For the first one, you will be needing an apple, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, a pinch of cinnamon, a half tablespoon of maple syrup, and a cup of milk. Go ahead and cut the apple into tiny pieces so it's easier to mix. You don't have to peel the apple. And then just pour all the ingredients into your mixer. As you can see, I'm using a Thermomix for that because I only have a Thermomix, I don't have a different mixer. So, as you can see, I am going from the bottom to the top slowly because, you know, it's just apple, it's a little bit harder, so it's easier for the mixer if you go slowly. Now you're finished with the first smoothie. Super easy recipe, and now just present it in a beautiful glass or cup. Let's go on with the second smoothie. For here you will be needing a half banana, 1 tablespoon of Nutella, a pinch of cinnamon, and a cup of milk. First of all, you have to peel the banana now, and then just cut it in pieces as well. Now pour all the ingredients in your mixer again and mix. Here it is okay to just go fast from the bottom to the top because the banana isn't that hard, so it's okay. So yeah, these were my 2 favorite smoothie recipes. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching.